All right, so for installing Adobe Illustrator Draw, we're going to go to the Play Store. So let me just make sure you know how to get to the Play Store in case it wasn't showing down here. You saw what I just did. Open up, launch my apps, right? And I'm going to go here to Play Store. And I'm going to go find it right here. So it's Adobe Illustrator Draw. I'm going to click Install. And you'll see it install. It'll keep you posted up here on what's going on. Okay, once it's installed, you can click Open. And you have an Adobe ID, so you're going to sign in with your Adobe ID. So we're going to click here. You're going to put your email address in, your student email address, your Chromebook login address, right? Oops, what am I doing? Click. So you're going to put your student ID at puscschools.net, right? Click Continue. You want to always click Company or School Account. And here's your Chromebook login. So you're going to do the same email address again, right? Teacher email addresses are a little different than yours. And then you put in your password, which is your FLMMDD password. So exactly the same stuff. You're putting in your Chromebook to sign into your Chromebook, right? All right. We're going to sign in, not now. That way you get in the habit of using your Adobe ID and remembering your username and password. All right, green. So you should see something like this when you're ready to